So let's have a look at some condensation polymerization reactions. So the first type is amide, amide linkage, which looks something like this. So we have a carboxylic acid. So note carboxylic acid groups on both sides of the carbon chain. And we have an amide. Amides are characterized by the nitrogen attached to the two hydrogens. So then what happens is we're going to have a condensation reaction between the alcohol group on the carboxylic acid and the hydrogen on the amine group. And this will give us a longer molecule. So now it's possible for this amide group to react with another carboxylic acid, making the chain even longer. Or similarly, this carboxylic acid group could react with another amide, and this would give us an even longer polymer. The reason that this particular type of polymerization or amide linkage is extremely important is it's what's used in the formation of proteins. The other type of linkage is called ester linkage, and this closely resembles the esterification reaction that hopefully you've already seen in class. So in this particular case, what we have is a carboxylic acid again, and an alcohol. And what happens here is we have an esterification reaction between the hydrogen on the alcohol upon the carboxylic acid. And so what this gives us is, so we get this larger molecule, and of course we also get water. And that's why these reactions are called condensation reactions. Both the ester linkage and the amide linkage give us water. So this one up the top, as hopefully you noticed, should also have water. And so these underpin a whole lot of different biological processes. Now, another really important point here is that there's different R groups in each of the different reagents. These R groups don't have to be the same. They can be different. And in fact, it is possible that you can actually have one large molecule which contains both the amide group and a carboxylic acid group on each end. So it has a carboxylic acid on one end and an amide on the other. And that means you can have repeating units of these reacting with each other to give you the polymerization of proteins. So that's condensation polymerization.